Hi all, today I will design this forgot password page. I have one label, email address and button. So I am going to design this page. So here I have created one HTML file. Inside I have Bootstrap, CDN and bundle.minified.js CDN as well. And I am taking main div tag. Inside I am adding one class forgot password container. I will have h4 forgot password. I have given text paragraph. I'm adding and inside I will have form tag. Inside form I will take one div tag. For that I'm giving class mb3 label for email. Class name would be form label. And then we can have input. Type should be email. And ID would be email only. And placeholder. So for that I'm adding one class. This is a Bootstrap class, form control. Downside I will have one button. Button name would be btn, btn primary. Type should be submit. With the 100, this should be reset password. And from downside I will have one more div tag. This text I should keep on center. I'm taking class text center for this div tag. Margin top 3 I taking. Inside I will have an anchor tag. So I'm giving option like back to login. Now we can have styles for body. I'm adding Background color, display flex I'm using, justify content center, align item center, height 1 VH, 100 VH, max width would be 400 pixel, padding 30 pixel, background white, border radius 100 pixel, box shadow, text align center, and for H4 I'm giving some other styles. Margin bottom 15 pixels, color should be this color, and for the paragraph I'm color giving same, and margin bottom given 20 pixels, and for the button background color I given, and border none I taken, padding and font size as well I have added, and whenever I hover this background should appear. And for anchor tag I get taken color like text decoration, color should be this color, and text hover, text center hover I taken, text decoration underline I taken, and I refresh we could see this page. Now we hover on back to login, the underline is coming.